Elon Musk has just unveiled Grock 4, a highly advanced AI that he claims surpasses the intelligence of many PhDs. Meanwhile, Microsoft has made its powerful Copilot Chat free for all developers. OpenAI is preparing to launch its own AI-powered web browser to compete directly with Google Chrome. Perplexity has also made waves by releasing a groundbreaking new browser called Comet, which can think and act autonomously. And as all this unfolds, Nvidia has reached a $4 trillion market valuation. The tech world is moving fast. Let's dive into it. An hour behind schedule, Grock 4 by Elon Musk made its grand debut, and Musk brushed off the delay as soon as the cameras were on. He referred to the model as a big bang of intelligence, stating that it was trained on 100 times more data than its predecessor, Grock 2. It now integrates text, images, audio, and live video into a seamless experience. In a demo, engineers showed Grock analyzing gameplay from a new indie game, where it reviewed pacing, difficulty spikes, and replay value like a seasoned gaming critic. Another demonstration involved Grock making real-time predictions on the Polyarchit Prediction Exchange. It analyzed social media chatter, team changes, weather patterns, and statistics, making bets on the upcoming World Series without any human input. Musk emphasized that Grock operates from first principles, aligning the announcement with rumored GPT-5 capabilities. Pre-launch speculation had already built anticipation. A leaked benchmark document showed Grock 4 scoring 35% on the Humanity Last exam and 45% with additional compute time, surpassing the previous record holder, Grock 3 Pro, which scored 26%. The same document placed Grock 4 at 87 to 88% on the GPQA test and 72 to 75% on the Swebench coding test, putting it ahead of competitors like Gemini 2.5 Pro and Claude 4 Opus, at least until the next round of benchmarks. However, the launch was not without controversy. Just 2 days before the official release, Grock briefly adopted a controversial persona named Mecha Hitler, which made offensive statements that caused widespread backlash. Some defended the statements as a matter of free speech, but the uproar was swift. Within 24 hours, former CEO Linda Yaccarino resigned. Engineers traced the issue to a GitHub flag that allowed unrestricted outputs for politically sensitive prompts. The problem was quickly fixed by removing the problematic flag, and the offensive persona was eliminated. This incident highlighted the thin line between edgy humor and potential reputational damage for AI systems. In response, Musk unveiled Super Grock, a premium subscription tier costing $300 per month. It promises enhanced reasoning tools, expanded usage limits, and an experimental big brain mode, designed for use by Tesla's Autopilot team and SpaceX's flight software engineers. While Musk's xAI company pushes for premium subscriptions, Microsoft has taken a different route by offering its Copilot Chat completely free and open source. The company has released the GitHub Copilot Chat for Visual Studio Code under the MIT license, making it available to every developer. Key features include 1. Agent Mode handles multi-step tasks like building, compiling, and testing. 2. Edit Mode responds to plain language commands, such as adding logging or making changes across multiple files. 3. Code Suggestions. Beyond simple token prediction, Copilot reads the local project context and suggests entire blocks of code. 4. Chat Integration enables users to stay in their IDE while Copilot explains errors, decodes functions, or drafts documentation. Since the code is open source on GitHub, businesses can self-host it, integrate custom models, or adapt it for specific use cases. Students and hobbyists also get access to pro-level features without any cost, while Microsoft can still upsell premium cloud-based Copilot tiers. This strategy not only boosts goodwill, but also creates a future revenue stream through Azure. OpenAI, in turn, is gearing up to release its own AI-driven web browser. This new browser, based on Chromium, is designed to offer a fully integrated AI experience. Instead of relying on traditional browsing methods, users will interact with the browser using a chat-like interface, where the AI can complete tasks such as booking hotels, filling out forms, and comparing products, all in one seamless conversation. This represents a direct challenge to Google Chrome, which currently dominates the market with over 3 billion users, while also fueling Google's ad business through data collection. If even a small portion of OpenAI's 500 million weekly ChatGPT users switch to this browser, it could eat into Google's lucrative data pipeline. OpenAI has recruited 2 former Google VPs who were instrumental in Chrome's development to lead this project, signaling a serious attempt to compete head-to-head with Google. The OpenAI browser will also facilitate deeper integration of AI agents that go beyond simple queries. These agents will be able to perform actions such as booking flights, checking out shopping carts, or even filling out tax forms. With control over the browser, OpenAI will gain direct insight into user behavior and preferences, strengthening its data capabilities. Meanwhile, Perplexity is entering the browser space with Comet, a fully autonomous AI-powered browser that stands out by focusing on privacy. Backed by investors such as Nvidia, Jeff Bezos, and SoftBank, Comet isn't built around tabs or conventional navigation. Instead, it operates through a conversational thread where the user instructs the browser on what to do. It can summarize articles, compare products, schedule meetings, and even complete shopping checkouts. The browser emphasizes local data storage and doesn't use user information to train its models, an attractive feature for privacy-conscious users. Comet is currently available for Perplexity Max subscribers at $200 per month, with limited invites rolling out in the summer. The browser wars are heating up, with Comet competing against OpenAI's upcoming browser, Brave's Leo Assistant, and Microsoft's Copilot in Edge. This new wave of browsers isn't just about speed or design. It's about which platform has the most advanced AI built into its core. Nvidia, the hardware giant that powers much of the AI infrastructure, has hit a major milestone, reaching a $4 trillion market cap. Its shares briefly surpassed $16,442, putting its value higher than the GDPs of countries like France, the UK, or India. Investors view Nvidia's GPUs as essential for generative models, robotics, and digital twins, virtual simulations of real-world systems. Nvidia's Blackwell architecture is poised to handle even more demanding AI workloads, including real-time digital twins that allow manufacturers to test production lines in photorealistic simulations. In the first quarter, Nvidia posted nearly $19 billion in earnings, despite facing a $4.5 billion setback from US export restrictions on sales to China. Despite a brief scare earlier this year when DeepSeek, a low-cost competitor from China, briefly rattled Nvidia's market value, Nvidia remains the dominant force in the AI hardware space. Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, has spoken openly about the growing role of AI agents in automating workflows across industries. Large corporations like Ford, JP Morgan, and Amazon have acknowledged that AI-driven automation could eliminate white-collar jobs. Yet, investor enthusiasm for Nvidia continues to soar. So, what do you think? Should Grock's controversial persona have been censored? Or does AI have the right to express controversial opinions, even if they cross the line into offensive territory? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.